Hey. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm in Seattle. You don't need to know why I'm here, but I'm here with a superstar. His name is Azuo. He's having a good time. So why am I with him today? Because I'm making something real special. It's something that both me and Azuo can enjoy. See you in a bit. Hey, we're gonna chop some chicken breast. And since Azuo likes eating chicken liver and shit, we've got some chicken liver that we're gonna chop up and make it into basically a meatball mix. And I'll add some vegetables and some spices, but no salt or onions or any of the stuff that Azuo can eat. So here we've got the chicken breast that we've cut up into smaller cubes and the chicken liver. So we're gonna put them both in to the blender together. Whoa. Okay, so rosemary, yam or sweet potato, and bell pepper. Cauliflower that I've sliced, parsley, here we've got the whole mixture, and I'm gonna add in some spices that Azuo can eat. Here I got cinnamon, a little bit, turmeric, a dash of turmeric, ginger. So I can't have onion or garlic in it, and definitely no salt. So the meatball itself is gonna be a bit bland, but you can eat it with any dips or whatever. And I'm gonna add in 2 eggs just to hold the mixture better. Fucking 2 degrees Celsius outside, and we fucking mixing meatballs here on the porch. Why? Because we love Azuo. It's time to grill the balls. Grill those balls. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna put some basil. Just kind of shred them, put them in. And because they're a bit too moist, so I've added some flour. So hopefully they won't be that wet. Okay. So with the flour, it's still too wet. We're adding in some, I don't know, it must be, oh, it's gluten-free. Oatmeal. Organic, good shit. You gotta feel the balls. Feel the balls. This is good exercise, you know. Like, just take them, put them in your palm. The ball's gonna form. In the oven, I don't know, 20 minutes, something like that. We'll check back later. Ha! Oh. So, let's give it a try. It's salt-free, no seasoning, chicken liver, and a bunch of vegetables that I hope he will like. I need salt, but it's good because it's for Azuo. It's gotta be good. Now that it's done, I'm gonna make some for Azuo. We wanted to get all the ingredients from the farmer's market, but apparently when we got there, they were closing down. So instead of buying stuff, I started eating, as you can see. But what we got is still pretty much organic from a nearby kind of expensive market. He knows his food is getting ready. So this is the ending of this episode of Cooking So Food in Seattle. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as Azuo is enjoying it right now. Oh, he's done. We out. Bye.
Azuo, good job. Azuo, good job.
Hi again. Seriously, bye.
No, I'm not cooking off a recipe here. So, as I mentioned earlier, I was going to put some basil, but apparently the basil has died, except for this one leaf of basil. So we're going to roll it up and puff. No puff.